Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through setting up TCX Tunnel Plus on your Android device, which can help improve your privacy and enhance your online security. Let's get started. 1. Open Google Play Store. Find and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. 2. Search TCX Tunnel Plus. Use the search bar at the top and type TCX Tunnel Plus. 3. Install the app. Tap the Install button to download and install the application. 4. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, locate the TCX Tunnel Plus icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it to open the application. 5. Access the menu. Tap the three lines, often called the hamburger menu, to open the menu options. 6. Tap Online Update. From the menu, select Online Update to ensure you have the latest server list and application configurations. 7. Select a server. Now, select a server. You can choose Auto for the application to automatically select the best server, or select any available server manually. 8. Select Connection Method. Tap on the Connection Method option. 9. Choose UDP World/UDP. All networks from the connection method list. Choose UDP World or UDP, all networks. 10. Tap Add Time. Time credit. Tap Add Time, time credit, to extend your connection time. 11. Tap Start. Tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection process. 12. VPN connected and secured. You should now be connected. You can now browse the internet with a more private and secure connection, which can be helpful for accessing content securely, especially on public Wi-Fi. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and according to local laws. Hey, before you go, if you found this tutorial helpful, smash that subscribe button. We've got tons more tips and tricks to help you stay safe online. Thanks for watching.